In this case, we're using the Office 365 version of Microsoft Word, but you will find that many of the versions are quite similar. So here we have some text open, ready for editing. And as we look down through the text, we're going to notice a few things. We're going to notice some red underlining, and further down, some blue underlining. As we go to the first example, we're looking for a red underlined word, and we get one here. And this looks like it wants to be completed, to be a correct, and it seems to be misspelled in this case. So what we're going to do is take that mouse cursor, go over top of the word, and then we're going to right-click it. We're going to get spelling suggestions here. And in this case, the first and only one we get is completed, which is the word we're looking for. So now that we've found the word in corrected form, we're going to left-click the suggested word, and it's going to make that correction for us. We can go down again, and we're just sort of reading through and looking for those examples where we're seeing that red underline. Positive here. Again, mousing over, moving that cursor over top of the word, right-clicking once to bring up the suggestion. And again, positive. 1S. Looks good, so we select that word with a left click. There's a few more in here, but now I want to bring your attention to this particular one. Now this is spelled correctly, but it's peers, and this has to do with things that are of a nautical nature as opposed to equals. So it's saying, hey, wait a second. This is not particularly a spelling mistake, this is a grammar mistake. And that's why we see this blue underlining as opposed to the red. So now we're going to, again, mouse over, right-click, and we're going to see grammar suggestions. And it thinks this is a word choice error, and the program is in fact right. What we want is peers with two E's. We want to, in the sense of equals, as opposed to peers where you might have a boat tied up. So again, just like with the first and second examples, we're going to left-click on that suggested word, and it's going to make the change. I hope you enjoyed this short tutorial, and I hope it helps you in your writing.